everybody. I just wanted to start by saying thank you to our amazing faculty and staff here at Carroll Hill. We've had such a wonderful start to the school year. Thank you for welcoming our families and our students into the classroom here at Open House, being so positive and energetic and reaching out to those that we may need just to see how we can support them to be sure that children are getting here and on time. Truly appreciative of all of you for everything that you're doing to start the school year off on a positive note. Thank you, thank you, thank you again. Just some reminders that I wanted to go over with all of you. Please be sure that objectives are up in all classrooms at this time and are labeled, and students recognize where to see those objectives and how they are being incorporated into the lessons, so students know what they are learning and why. At this time, focus walls should be up, and I've seen all of your morning meetings and problem of the day in place. It's amazing how much students are already doing to learn, to grow, to talk with one another, and really problem solve. So again, I thank you for that. Regards to absences, please remember if a student has been absent twice already to contact families and log those calls into the eSchool phone journal. If you need support or we're at that next step, please be sure to reach out to Christine and Alicia, who is our attendance liaison for our building, and we'll be sure to follow up with that extra support needed at this time. If you are in the phone journal, this is something that I wanted to make sure everyone was aware of and forgot to go over. Please note if there is a red phone or a triangle with an exclamation point in it, those are alerts. Be sure to read those, and if you have any questions or concerns or need clarification, reach out to myself, instructional coaches, or our SST team, and they'll be sure to guide you with what that means. Be sure also that we're asking for photo ID at pickup, especially if there's a change in pickup and we're not sure or have not met that person. That's really important that we check not only the photo ID, but eSchool to be sure, or ensure that we have a note from a parent letting us know who will be picking that child up on that day. At this time, assessment calendar and the assessment window is open. Instructional coaches will go over the A reading for 2nd through 5th grade. There is an additional component for 4th and 5th grade as well, which is the auto reading part and the A math expectations. K1, please also follow what's on the assessment calendar, and again, reach out to instructional coaches with any clarification needed, and they'll go over all of that with you. Hallway displays. The hallways look great. I've learned so much about the students from the All About Me's that are hanging out there. As we move forward into curriculum and we change out our hallway displays, the instructional coaches will give you the hallway guidelines to ensure that what we're putting out is labeled properly and has our best student work in the hallways. It's the same guidelines that went out last year to you, so we did not make any revisions to that if you were with us, but instructional coaches will give that to you, and then if you have any questions, you can see me. Getting to the end now. Committees, if you are on a committee, please be sure to be mindful of those dates. We do only meet once a week, so it's really important to have our committee members there. We understand that things come up last minute, but if you can do your best to work appointments around those committees, we would greatly appreciate it. Also, social committee, who does a lot of our fun events for both school and our faculty and staff, is looking for additional members. So if you are not in a committee, please be sure to check out our social committee if you have any interest. We're also looking for a few more mentors for our mentor program that will begin in mid to late October, and there will be proper training, and it can be submitted through after school. So if you are interested in mentoring, please let me know. Or if you have outside members that would be interested in being volunteer mentors, please submit their contact information to me. Outside support, we have Rebecca McGinn, we have Melissa Macaluso, our tech coaches, our TC trainers, as well as our math support who will be here supporting our classrooms and our community, as well as district office. We'll have lots of visitors from district office throughout the year, visiting different classrooms and seeing all the wonderful things we're doing. So I just want you to be aware of that. And I have one more thing, sorry about that. having trouble, when you have trouble reading your own handwriting. I just want to once again thank you for your commitment to our students and to our families. Please continue to collaborate with one another, reach out to instructional coaches, myself, Joe, or our SST team for any additional support that you need. And let's continue to have a fabulous school year. Thank you again for everything.